Our project is about the alcohol policy on the TU campus. Previously, data was gathered from students and TUE employees to gain insight into the views and the alcohol policy and create an empathy map that included both involved parties. According to the created empathy map, a similar goal was found between two main stakeholders within the problem stated. This revolved around social coherence between the students. This value is especially relevant because it's crucial for both parties. The TUE wants to create a pleasant campus for its students, and the students want to have a great time. This created a point of view for starting ideation and thinking of potential solutions.
After this, an analysis was done using the Wilber model. This allowed us to explore the problem and its complexities within a societal context. Our vision as a company could be confirmed by the goals we strive to achieve.
We as a company are enthusiastic about sharing solutions for a better health. We see that there are many unhealthy provisions accessible in our society nowadays. And we found ourselves scared that society will move towards an unhealthy future because of it. With the use of the Wilber model, we decided what the additional collective values were for a company, the client TUE, and the students. We found health to be shared value for all three parties. This doesn't just mean physical health, especially students value mental health as well nowadays, for example.
Thereafter, an explanation was given about what we want to achieve. This revolves around common goals that support our vision. It's important to note that the TUE is our main client. An important value for the TUE is that students have a pleasant time on campus. The values of the TUE support our primary concern, and the values of the students support our secondary target group.
When starting the concept development, we took into consideration what our main values were and how we could use these within a social context to develop usable interventions. This led to two design directions that we wanted to explore.
One of these was centered around the physical infrastructure that supports alcohol consumption on campus. This supports the social culture that is liked, but also supports excessive alcohol consumption. Therefore, this physical infrastructure offers a unique view that can lead to possible solutions to the state problem. To explore this, we use different biomimicry principles like evolve to survive. Different elements in nature evolve to survive. The most direct influence of consumption is the drinking glass. It serves an important task and serves as a design opportunity for us. To change the shape of the glass to support certain behavior, like certain animals in nature, in this case creating discomfort to decrease the alcohol consumption for students. This could allow for different variations to support different levels of discomfort. To support the circular value, the cups will be produced from high quality bioplastic and can support different kinds of beverages. The cups will be reused and washed after usage.
For the second scenario, we decided to focus on awareness. According to our empathy map, most students are not motivated to start reducing their alcohol consumption, and they are not aware of what they're consuming. Therefore, we want to create awareness among students about alcohol with the hope of reducing their consumption. To create the desired product, we use the biomimicry principle, be locally attuned and responsive. With the use of feedback loops, we can create awareness and even behavioral change among students about alcohol purchases. This feedback has to motivate people to think about their consumption. We found that students get motivated by money, grades, and health. So creative feedback using these in combination with the students' consumption, we might be able to let them think about alcohol more. For our design, when the students are paying, they have to pay next to a screen. Before the student is able to complete the transaction, a message will pop up on the screen showing what the alcohol does to your grades, wallet, and health. To finish the transaction, the student has to press OK in order to proceed. This will make sure the student reads the screen and starts thinking about the consequences of their alcohol consumption. To support the circular value, it is not a physical product, but a program that the catering establishment can use as a payment system. This means it's both multifunctional and reusable. The product is multifunctional because it's used to create awareness and for payment, and it's reusable because it's not physical, so it can be used as many times as possible and it can be updated.